Good morning. Today we are here at Pro Wine Mumbai 2025. Welcome to WCI Studio.
Thank you.
Wine Sutra has been an interesting platform that has shown us what quality wines can actually be. So today we are here with Miss Sangamitra. She is the leading wine expert, if I may say. She does not like to call herself that, but yes, she is a wine critic, been on the panel of many judges, of many competitions for that matter. Ma'am, welcome to WCI Studio.
Thank you. Pleasure meeting you.
And how does it feel to be here at ProWine Mumbai 2025?
Fantastic. I think, first of all, Provine is doing an excellent job. I love the team. They're fantastic, phenomenal, always there to help you,
Mm-hmm.
which I totally get it because I live in France and I know, how others exhibitions, other people walk around. And when in this platform, like people are there to help you each and every time.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm flattered with the service. Like, yes, all
Oh my
power,
God,
more
that's a
power,
five
more
star rating.
more power to Provine India. Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. That's actually great that we get such good reviews about ProWine and
Absolutely.
its management.
I have to be honest. I have to be
Mm-hmm.
honest because we have a WhatsApp group. Nikhil is always aware because he's such a busy man, right?
Yes,
He's
he
busy
is.
and
He is
he's
the
not,
most busy man on
yes,
this planet.
he's not just taking care of one brand or one company. There's so
Mm-hmm,
many of us. And in spite of that, if there is problem, he's there.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
And his team is there. If in case if he's not there, he'll
mm-hmm.
get back after 5 minutes on a call. So I mean,
Mm.
absolutely, it's brilliant.
Perfect. So now I'll come to your
Yeah.
company. Tell me, what do you do? What does your brand stand for?
Yeah.
And how can anyone reach you in terms of working with you?
Okay. Thanks for asking me this question. So, Wine Sutra is basically the name I have selected long time ago, 2007 ish. I would say when I literally started writing my blogs. Those days it used to be blogs, no Insta or nothing as such. And as a curious person, I was not into the wine world. As a curious person, because I used to travel a lot back in then in France, just writing blogs, whatever I was tasting. That's all pretty much, no intention behind that blog. That's it. And then all of a sudden, things changed, and I wanted to move into from my career, finance career, to wine. So I thought, like, okay, I'll just tag along with the same brand name. So the brand name continued as a Wine Sutra. So it's a consultancy agency based in Bordeaux. We are trying to open our company in India soon. I hope it will work it out because it's expanding. We would definitely need a brand partner in India. So if you're watching this video, if you want to collaborate, if you're a sommelier, and you want to work with Wine Sutra, please do reach out. You can get in touch via LinkedIn or email or WhatsApp is the best way to get in touch. Why not? And yeah, let's have a chat. Let's have a chat. So what do we do is I'm based in Bordeaux for last 14 years now, and being over there into that world, I think one of the first Indian who is actually based, and now I'm French with my nationality, so they everyone almost knows, who is who and what she's up to. So I do have business partners, and I work mostly into Europe and United States. I have my private clients, so I help them to buy their wines for their private cellar. So that's my first job, right? Which I do it twice a year. So I work a lot with Grand Cru wines, some of the most premium wines around the world. When I say around the world, mostly into Europe, to be specific, and for my clients. So that's one thing. Secondly, yes, Provine India. I can't miss it. I cannot afford to miss it. I love this place.
I love this expression.
Yes. And so yes, the team is expanding. We are looking forward to grow in India with Indian partners, and so that we can bring more business partners together to participate at the show, because we come with a lot of responsibilities, right? So it's important that we collaborate with the right people
Right.
to take this ahead.
Perfect, perfect. And if I may ask you one thing, have you had a look at our magazine 0KM?
Of course.
And what do you have to say about that?
I think it's brilliant concept, to be honest,
Mhm.
because if I may ask, you do tie up and collaborate with journalists all around world
Yes.
and where they are based, and you cover the local stories and you get. So I think it's brilliant. I think it's brilliant.
The whole intention is to make sure people who are not just they need not be people with a great knowledge about alcobev, but
Yeah.
they like the industry,
Yeah.
they like what they drink, they would like
Yeah.
to know more,
Yeah.
and we would love to be their first stop for
Yeah.
them.
No, this
Thank
is
you so
brilliant.
much for this interview, and
Pleasure.
looking forward to actually having you at 0km in some time or the other.
Okay.
And it was a very nice interview. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Pleasure.
Have a very nice day.
Pleasure. Thank you.